Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Talk, the place where real English becomes easy. I'm Erica.
And I'm Marco. We're so happy you're here learning with us today.
Marco, before we dive in, quick question. Have you ever traveled to an English-speaking country?
Yeah, I went to Dublin once.
Oh, awesome. How was the airport experience for you speaking English?
Honestly, it was pretty nerve-wracking. The person at the check-in counter asked me something and my mind went blank. So I just smiled and nodded. I still have no idea what I agreed to.
The classic awkward smile and nod. I think every language learner has been there.
I felt so awkward. I knew some English, but airport English? It felt like a whole different language.
And that's exactly why we're focusing on this today. The airport can be one of the most stressful environments to use English. Everything moves quickly, there are long queues, you have a flight to catch, and if you misunderstand or say the wrong thing, panic can set in.
Totally.
But today, we're going to change that. We're going to guide you through the entire airport journey, from the moment you walk in to the moment you board the plane, with all the key English phrases you'll need.
I'll be saying things the way many learners might say them, and Erica will show us the natural, confident version.
By the end of this video, navigating the airport will feel much less intimidating, I promise. Let's get started. Okay, first stop, the check-in desk. You walk up and the agent smiles and says, "Good morning. Can I have your passport and booking reference, please?" Marco, what's your response?
I say, yes, here passport.
I understand you, but here passport sounds a bit broken. The smooth, natural way is simply, of course, here you are, and then you hand over your documents.
Of course, here you are. It's so simple. Why didn't I think of that?
Here you are is one of the most versatile phrases in English. You use it any time you hand something to someone, in a shop, a restaurant, anywhere. Let's practice it out loud. Repeat after me. Of course, here you are.
Of course, here you are.
Great. Now the agent looks at your passport and asks, "Where are you flying to today, Marco?" What do you say?
I say, I go to Dublin.
Close, but a more natural choice is, "I'm flying to Dublin." In an airport context, using flying sounds much more accurate than going.
I'm flying to Dublin. That makes perfect sense. We are at an airport after all. Say it with me. I'm flying to Dublin today.
Perfect. Next, the agent asks, "How many bags are you checking in today, Marco?"
I have one bag. Big bag.
Big bag made me smile, but the natural way is, "I have one checked bag." The large suitcase you give to the airline is called a checked bag or checked luggage.
I have one checked bag. And what's the small one I keep with me?
That's your carry-on bag or hand luggage. Crucial vocabulary. Checked bag goes underneath, carry-on stays with you.
Got it.
Now, the agent asks a standard security question. Did you pack your bags yourself? Your response?
Yes, I packed myself.
Almost. A tiny correction. Yes, I packed them myself. We use them to refer to the bags, and packed is the past tense because you did it before arriving.
Yes, I packed them myself. That small them really completes the sentence.
Exactly. Now the agent smiles and says, "Your seat is 14A, a window seat. Here's your boarding pass. Have a great flight." What do you say back?
Thank you. Bye.
Bye to someone you might see again in 2 minutes feels a bit too final. A warmer, more natural reply is, "Thank you so much. Have a good day."
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Simple and friendly. Let's say it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Next stop, security. This is where people often get anxious because the officers are focused and things move quickly. The officer says, "Please remove your laptop and liquids from your bag and place everything in the tray."
I'd probably just stand there, not understanding half of that.
Totally normal. The key words to listen for are remove, liquids, and tray. Remove means take out. Liquids are things like water, shampoo, drinks. Tray is the plastic bin you put your items in.
Remove, liquids, tray. If I catch those three, I know what to do.
Exactly. And if you don't understand something, it's always fine to say, "I'm sorry, could you repeat that, please?" Security staff deal with international travelers daily. They're used to it.
Really? I always felt like I had to understand instantly.
You can always ask for clarification. That phrase works in any situation. Say it with me. "I'm sorry, could you repeat that, please?"
I'm sorry, could you repeat that, please?
After the scan, the officer might say, "Could you step to the side, please? We need to check your bag." Don't panic, just stay calm and say,
Of course, no problem.
"Perfect, calm and cooperative." Say it, "Of course, no problem." Okay, you're through security. Now you need your gate. You see gate 23 on your boarding pass, but you're not sure where it is. You spot an airport employee. Marco, what do you ask?
Excuse me, where is gate 23, please? I cannot find.
Good start, but "I cannot find" is a bit incomplete. A smoother version is "I can't find it." Or even better, "Excuse me, could you help me find gate 23, please?"
Excuse me, could you help me find gate 23, please? That sounds so much more confident.
And you started with "excuse me," which is essential. It's polite and gets their attention. Now you try the full sentence.
Excuse me, could you help me find gate 23, please?
The employee replies, "Of course." Go straight ahead, then turn left at the coffee shop. Gate 23 is at the end of that corridor. How do you respond and confirm you understood?
I could say, thank you so much. So, straight ahead and then left. Got it.
Excellent. Repeating the directions confirms you understood, and they can correct you if needed. Straight ahead and then left. Got it. Let's practice that response.
Thank you so much. Straight ahead and then left. Got it.
You've found your gate and you're waiting. You hear an announcement. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now begin boarding flight BA207 to Dublin. Please have your boarding pass and passport ready.
I understand. Boarding is getting on the plane.
Perfect. When it's your turn, the gate agent says, "Can I see your boarding pass, please?" Your move.
Yes, here is.
Almost. Here is needs an object. Here it is, or even more naturally, here you go.
Here you go. Just like here you are from before.
Exactly. They're interchangeable. Say it. Of course, here you go.
Of course, here you go.
The agent scans it and says, "You're in seat 14A. Enjoy your flight." You reply,
Thank you so much.
"Perfect. But let's add another natural touch. When someone says, 'Enjoy your flight,' a warm response is, 'Thank you, I will.' It sounds very confident."
Thank you so much. I will. Let's say that. Thank you so much. I will.
Now, what if there's a hiccup? The agent says, "I'm sorry, sir. Your bag is too large for the cabin. You'll need to check it in." What do you ask?
Oh, okay. How much cost?
I understand, but the correct way is, "How much does it cost?" Or even more politely, "Could you tell me how much it costs, please?"
Could you tell me how much it costs, please? That's much more polite. Say it. Could you tell me how much it costs, please?
You're on the plane and find your seat, but someone is in it. How do you handle that, Marco?
Hey, this is my seat.
That could be seen as a bit confrontational. A polite approach is, "Excuse me, I think this might be my seat. I have 14A.
Excuse me, I think this might be my seat. I have 14A.
That's so much calmer and friendlier. Say it. "Excuse me, I think this might be my seat. I have 14A. The flight attendant comes by and asks, "Would you like something to drink?" Your order?
Yes, give me orange juice.
There it is. Give me again. In service situations, always use "I'd like" or "could I get." So, "I'd like an orange juice, please."
I'd like an orange juice, please.
It's the same polite phrase that works everywhere. Exactly. Learn it once, use it forever. Now, if you need help during the flight, maybe your overhead bin is stuck, what can you say to the attendant?
Excuse me, could you help me with something, please?
Perfect. Simple and always effective. Say it. Excuse me, could you help me with something, please? You've landed. Welcome to Dublin. Now, immigration. This can be intimidating. The officer asks you, what is the purpose of your visit? Marco, what's your answer?
I'd probably freeze. Purpose of visit sounds so official.
It does, but it just means, why are you here? The answer is usually one of three things: tourism, business, or visiting family. So you can say, I'm here for tourism, or more naturally,
I'm here on holiday, or I'm here for work, or I'm visiting family.
perfect. I'm here on holiday is very common. Let's practice all three. I'm here on holiday, I'm here for work, I'm visiting family.
I'm here on holiday, I'm here for work, I'm visiting family.
Next question. How long are you planning to stay?
I stay 1 week.
Very close. Just a small tweak. I'm staying for 1 week. Or even simpler, just 1 week.
I'm staying for 1 week. That's easy. Say it. I'm staying for 1 week.
Then the officer asks, do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I have.
Almost. When someone asks, do you have, the natural short answer is yes, I do, not yes, I have.
Yes, I do. Simple rule. Do you have? Answer with yes, I do. So the full exchange. How long are you staying? I'm staying for 1 week. Do you have a return ticket? Yes, I do.
Last but important. You're at baggage claim and your bag doesn't appear. What do you do?
I'd panic, then go to the desk and say, my bag not come, where is bag?
Totally understandable panic. But a clearer way is, excuse me, I think my bag is missing. It hasn't come out on the belt.
Excuse me, I think my bag is missing. It hasn't come out on the belt. That explains everything perfectly.
Then the agent will ask, can you describe your bag? You say the color, size, and a unique detail.
It's a large black suitcase with a green strap on it.
Perfect. Color, size, identifying detail. That formula works anywhere. Say the full sentence. Excuse me, I think my bag is missing. It's a large black suitcase with a green strap. Let's do a quick review. I'll say the common mistake, and Marco will give the natural version. Say them out loud with Marco. Here, passport.
Of course, here you are.
I go to Dublin.
I'm flying to Dublin.
I cannot find.
Could you help me find gate 23, please?
Give me orange juice.
I'd like an orange juice, please.
My bag not come.
Excuse me, I think my bag is missing.
I stay 1 week.
I'm staying for 1 week.
Each of these corrections is small, but together they make a huge difference in how confident and natural you sound. And our question for you, have you ever used English at an airport? How did it feel? Share your story in the comments. We genuinely want to know.
If this lesson helped you today, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps more learners find English Talk.
And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. We have new lessons every single week, designed for real life, just like this one.
Thank you so much for being here. It means the world to us.
Take care, and next time you're at an airport, speak with confidence. You know exactly what to say.
English Talk is your place to grow.
See you in the next one. Bye, everyone.